Welcome back MH Car Review the channel. Today, you're not just looking at a vehicle, you're witnessing a bold vision of the future. This is a futuristic luxury motorhome that blends the soul of a supercar with the comfort of a high-end mobile mansion. At first glance, the sheer size and stance instantly grab your attention. This motorhome doesn't simply arrive, it commands the space around it. The wide body, aggressive front design, and sculpted aerodynamic lines make it clear that this is not inspired by traditional RVs. It feels like a concept vehicle brought to life, designed without limits and built to impress from every angle. As the camera glides across the front, the sharp LED headlights cut through the scene with precision. The front fascia feels both powerful and refined, combining armored strength with smooth, flowing curves. The deep blue body paired with metallic gold accents reflects light beautifully, giving the motorhome a premium, performance-driven identity. Every detail serves a purpose, improving airflow, stability, and road presence. Now take a look at the wheels, because this is where engineering meets dominance. The massive multi-axle setup, equipped with heavy-duty performance tires, provides incredible stability and grip. Each wheel is designed to handle extreme weight while maintaining a smooth, confident ride. Whether cruising on open highways or parked under showroom lights, this motorhome looks unstoppable. Moving along the side profile, the clean design becomes even more impressive. Carbon fiber accents, flush panels, and seamless doors keep the exterior sleek and futuristic. Integrated lighting and hidden ventilation systems add to the refined look. There's nothing excessive here, every line, every curve, has intention. Step inside, and the experience completely transforms. The cockpit feels more like the flight deck of a private jet than a motorhome. Premium leather seats provide perfect support, while ambient LED lighting creates a calm, high-tech atmosphere. A wide digital dashboard stretches across the front, displaying navigation, vehicle data, climate controls, and entertainment, all customizable at the driver's command. The steering wheel looks straight out of a supercar, packed with intelligent controls yet incredibly intuitive. Advanced driver assistance systems work quietly in the background, offering adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, intelligent braking, and smooth acceleration. This motorhome doesn't just move, it responds. As you move further inside, the living space opens up with an incredible sense of luxury. High-end materials dominate every surface, from soft touch panels to brushed metal and premium wood accents. The layout feels open, spacious, and thoughtfully designed for comfort and elegance. The lounge area features plush seating that adapts easily for relaxation or entertainment. A large ultra-high-definition display blends seamlessly into the wall, paired with a premium surround sound system that turns the space into a private cinema. Whether parked under the stars or traveling across states, comfort is always front and center. The kitchen continues the luxury theme with modern appliances, sleek countertops, and smart storage solutions. Everything is minimal, clean, and functional, designed for people who expect 5-star quality no matter where the road takes them. The bedroom area offers a peaceful retreat. Soft ambient lighting, acoustic insulation, and premium bedding create a space designed for true rest. This isn't just a place to sleep, it's a place to unwind and recharge in complete comfort. Now let's talk performance, because luxury means nothing without power. Beneath this futuristic exterior lies a high-performance powertrain built for long-distance excellence. Acceleration is smooth, torque delivery is confident, and the advanced suspension system keeps the ride stable and quiet even at higher speeds. The multi-wheel configuration distributes weight efficiently, reducing road fatigue and enhancing control. This motorhome is also built with the future in mind. Solar panels integrated into the roof help power onboard systems, improving efficiency and sustainability. Advanced climate management systems maintain the perfect interior temperature in any environment, while smart energy monitoring optimizes performance automatically. From the rooftop view, the intelligent design becomes even clearer. Aerodynamic rooflines, ventilation systems, and solar technology blend seamlessly into the body. Nothing feels added on, everything feels engineered as one complete vision. As the lights power on and the motorhome stands under dramatic lighting, the final impression is unforgettable. This isn't just transportation. It's a statement. A symbol of what happens when performance, innovation, and luxury come together without compromise. This futuristic luxury motorhome isn't built for everyone, it's built for those who demand more. For those who want the thrill of a supercar and the comfort of a luxury home combined into one extraordinary machine. If you could take this motorhome anywhere in the world, where would your first journey be? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this look into the future of luxury on wheels, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video.